Chicago.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in
thank you,
northeastern
Discord.
Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms were located along a line from Rockford to Mendota, moving east at 75 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm.
Ooh.
Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Yes.
Source, trained weather spotters.
My first PDS.
This storm has a history of producing widespread wind damage across western and north-central Illinois. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, and Mount Prospect. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 233 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 303 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 355.
And that just happened.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 14.